Congratulations on starting your journey to a more beautiful, better looking smile. I'm sure you're all excited, but there are certain instructions you should follow so that this journey is smooth and without any delay or complications. So, in this video, I'm going to explain those. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental. Our aim here is to help you smile. Instruction number 1, oral hygiene maintenance. You're already aware that if you do not brush your teeth, there are chances of decay occurring in them. Now imagine there are braces or brackets stuck to your teeth. So there is more chances of food and debris getting collected. So you have to take care of the oral hygiene maintenance more than before. Now how do you do that? First is by brushing your teeth twice daily. While brushing, you have extra surfaces which you need to take care of. So the entire mouth can be divided to 5 surfaces which you have to clean. First is over the brackets. Second is above the brackets. Third is below the brackets. Fourth are the surfaces where there are no brackets, that are your chewing surfaces and the inner surfaces. Now fifth is the area between the brackets which are the most difficult to clean. You can use a floss, a proxa brush or a water flosser depending upon the space between your teeth and the type of food getting collected. Other than this, you also have to change your toothbrush more frequently than before. The reason being, because of the brackets, the bristles of the brush get damaged. And if you're using a brush with bristles which are completely flared out, they cause more damage to your gums and your teeth and cause less cleaning of them. Instruction number 2. Avoid hard, sticky, chewy or crunchy food. Why do we say so? Remember, the wire which helps in the movement of your teeth applies pressure to the teeth through the brackets which are stuck on them. If you're having something which is hard, chewy, crunchy or sticky, it causes excessive forces on the brackets and the brackets might dislodge. Now, if the brackets dislodge, there are two problems you face. First is the energy or force which is applied completely stops and the teeth might go into slight reverse direction. Now, because of which your treatment duration tends to increase. Other than that, you would also be charged a minimal amount for re-sticking these brackets onto the teeth. Now the amount depends on the number of brackets which are dislodged, the type of brackets you have, and if the same ones can be reattached or new ones have to be used for replacing them. So if you do not take care of what you're eating, your treatment duration increases and your cost as well. Now, what are the examples of this hard, sticky, crunchy and chewy food? Hard food basically means things like nuts or chicky. Sticky food means things like which are eclairs or chewing gums. Crunchy like popcorn and chewy like pizza. Yes, these are certain things you need to sacrifice during your treatment. But remember, you're doing all this for a better, good-looking smile. So small amount of sacrifice is nothing in front of what you're going to gain in the longer duration. Instruction number 3. Taking care of soreness and ulcers. Now, what happens when you buy a new shoes and wear it? At times, you might get a shoe bite. Why does this happen? It is because it is new structure which causes some amount of irritation onto your feet. Similarly, when you have braces in your mouth, there might be initial phase where you might have soreness and ulcers. Now, how do you take care of them? It depends on whether it is mild, moderate or severe. If you are having some amount of soreness and there is no major pain or ulcers which are seen, you can use salt water rinses to gargle twice or thrice. If there is slight amount of pain, you can contact us and we will prescribe you a mild painkiller. But if there are certain ulcers which are being formed and there are slight irritation because of it, again we would prescribe you an ointment which is applied onto the lips and cheeks, which would help it be little more smoother and the healing period takes around 5 to 7 days in such cases. But if the ulcers are severe and you are not able to open your mouth, call us and take an appointment as soon as possible. Once you come to us, we might provide you, based on your case, with a dental wax. You have to use those dental wax into small balls and apply them into the areas of the bracket which are causing large amount of irritation onto your lips and cheeks. So remember, if you're suffering from any of these, do not forget to contact us. Before you listen to the fourth instruction, if you're liking this video, please do not forget to hit the like button below. Instruction number 4. Dealing with loose wires and brackets. Even after all the care you're taking, if a bracket gets dislodged, contact us as soon as possible. We will see whether that bracket has to be stuck onto the tooth at that particular moment, or we have to wait for your next orthodontic appointment. So depending upon case, we will instruct you what is best for you. Next is loose wires. Why does this happen? As your teeth get aligned, the spaces between your teeth might reduce. So the wire which is in your mouth might be excess for that given situation. Hence it might pop out behind, causing some amount of irritation on your cheeks. Now, if that is the case, come down to us and we will cut out the excessive wire which is there. In case any piece of wire or bracket comes out and gets dislodged, collect that piece and get it to us. Do not just throw it, because there are certain pieces and brackets which can be reused and can help reduce the cost of replacement. So these are the 4 major tips you have to keep in mind so that your journey towards a beautiful smile is pain-free and quick. If you have not seen our video on how to brush your teeth, please go and check it out, because how you brush your teeth would help you reduce the chances of decay and caries in your mouth. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental. Our aim here is to help you smile.